Hi friends, I'm very happy to say one of our student named with Ankur, he cleared Microsoft certification with good score, almost 80% score, sir. Sir, do you know what is the need, what is the importance of certification? In any area, if you are certified in your life, definitely there is a big opportunity is going to wait for you people, right? Okay, compulsory, you will get much clarity in the subject. You can demand a good package in the while getting the job. Next, you can demand for good project. You may get on-site opportunity just based on your certification. That's why it's a highly recommended. Whatever technology you are learning, whatever technology you are working, highly recommended to clear certifications. It may be Java or Python and so on. So from Python area, Microsoft side, okay, Microsoft providing certification for the Python. Of course, it's the basics, but once you clear that exam, then definitely you people are going to get much clarity in the subject. Okay, do you know one small thing I have to convey? So he's the Ankur, he's the Ankur. So he cleared certification. His score is 80% score. Okay, this is the score sheet. Once you write the exam, immediately you will get this score sheet, sir. Next, and after that, from the Microsoft, this is the certificate you are going to get. So definitely it is going to be very helpful, extra advantage, extra asset to your resume, to your profile, right? Okay, why this person? Of course, he learned from Durgasoft, but why he got 80%? The reason, there is one small thing. He's a good at subject, but the problem here is, do you know Microsoft Python certification? You have to play just like a 20-20 match. Do you know every ball is the very important. Every minute is the important, sir. 40 questions, 45 minutes you have to clear the exam. So these are not just alphabetical, just A, B, C, D, like no. So drag and drop will be there. You have to, sir, what we call, you have to compose a Python program from the given options, from the coding snippets, like it's a really challenging exam only. Okay, to clear certification, whatever material, whatever videos, everything we can provide support, sir. If you require, just contact us. Definitely, okay, you should be in a position to clear certification, I'm sure. Okay, anyway, so let's congratulate Ankur. So just a small gift from our side, man. Yeah, thank you, Ankur. Yeah, good, man. So be ready for your next certification also. Okay, right, thank you.